our open display case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 59 inches, a depth of 33.5 inches, and the overall height of 59.5 inches tall. Height of the bottom base with caster wheels, we have 24.5 inches tall. Measurements for the bottom compartment will include 54.5 inches in length, 22.5 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Coming to the back of the display, coming to the lower right column are 2 temperature controllers along with 2 power switches. Right beneath is the 110-120 voltage plug. And coming to the lower center and slot is the water box. Coming to the top and bottom are dual slide doors left to right. Measurements for the bottom row will include 53.5 inches in length by 11 inches in depth, with a height measuring 7.5 inches tall. Measurements for the top shelf will include 54.25 inches in length by 8.5 inches in depth. And for the top portion, the center shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference, and located beneath the shelf is a LED strip. And the sticker on the back of the case will indicate the ETL NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part. Thank you.